What is up, riders, and welcome back. If you live in a market constrained by license laws, or if you simply believe that riding a small, light bike fast is more fun than riding a big bike slow, then you know the 125cc dual sport segment is a battleground for attention. But what happens when you throw a piece of Italian racing heritage into the mix? This is the 2025 Aprilia RX 125. And Aprilia is not just playing the game, they are trying to reset the benchmark. With a rich history of off-road competition, they are calling this the ultimate entry-level machine. So, does this Euro 5 Plus compliant tiddler have the teeth to conquer the trail and the street? We're diving deep to find out if this is, truly, the ultimate 125cc dual sport. Let's start with the heart of the beast. The RX 125 is powered by Aprilia's latest liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine. And while A1 licensing laws globally cap the power, Aprilia engineers didn't just meet the limit, they maximized it. We're talking about the maximum legal power output of 15 horsepower at a screaming 10,500 RPM, backed by a healthy 11.4 Nm of torque at 8,500 RPM. This is an engine designed to be ridden hard. It uses a modern DOHC, 4-valve configuration, and Magneti Marelli MIUG4 ECU electronics. What does this mean on the road? It's responsive, smooth, and feels incredibly sharp through the 6-speed gearbox. Aprilia has ensured that despite the stringent Euro 5 Plus emissions rules, this motor retains the lively, aggressive character that the brand is known for. This isn't your average commuter lump. It's a finely tuned race machine motor built for the street. Where the RX truly separates itself from other entry-level dual sports is in the chassis and suspension. This isn't a street bike wearing knobbies. This is an off-road machine adapted for the road. First, let's talk about the setup. A true dual sport geometry with 21-inch spoked front wheel and an 18-inch spoked rear wheel, fitted with proper knobby tires. This wheel size is essential for tackling real off-road obstacles, providing stability and better attack angles. The suspension is equally serious. Up front, you get beefy 41mm inverted USD forks offering a massive 240mm of wheel travel. Out back, a monoshock with progressive linkage gives you 220mm of travel. That is a serious amount of compliance. This long-travel suspension is designed to absorb big hits, climb over roots, and provide the ground clearance needed to keep the twin-spar frame safely above the trail. At just 136 kilograms wet, this bike is light, nimble, and thanks to that suspension travel, it's ready to take on trails that would overwhelm many of its competitors. Now, let's talk about the technology that Aprilia is pioneering in this segment, particularly in safety. The RX 125 features a sophisticated braking system using wave profile discs, a 216mm disc up front and a 220mm disc at the rear. But the real game changer is the Bosch single-channel ABS with anti-rollover mode. Aprilia is one of the first to bring this level of tech to the 125cc dual sport market. The single-channel ABS works on the front wheel, which is exactly what you want off-road, allowing the rear wheel to lock up for steering control on dirt. Crucially, the anti-rollover mode is a major safety boon, regulating the front brake pressure under heavy braking to mitigate rear wheel lift. This gives newer riders confidence without sacrificing the fun. The cockpit is also modern, boasting a new, comprehensive color digital instrument panel. Beyond the basics, it gives you gear indication, average consumption, and even a travel diary function, tracking your ride metrics, premium tech on a small-capacity bike. Aprilia set out to build the ultimate 125cc dual sport, and looking at the component list, the DOHC engine, the 240mm of travel, the inverted forks, and the Bosch ABS, they have a very compelling case. For A1 license holders, or anyone looking for a lightweight, premium dual sport built with true racing DNA, the 2025 Aprilia RX 125 is not just an option, it is the new standard. If you're upgrading, downsizing, or just starting out, this bike demands a test ride. Let us know in the comments what you think of the RX 125. Is this the right balance of Italian flair and off-road grunt? Hit that subscribe button for more reviews, and we'll see you on the next ride.